What you doing, guys?
Huh?
What are you doing? Nothing. What are you eating? What? What are you eating? Nothing. It looks like you're eating peanuts. Are you eating peanuts? Are you eating peanuts? Are you eating peanuts?
Yeah.
Ah, let me see one. Let me see one. Let me see. Oh man, that's a big peanut. What about you, Santi?
Huh?
What are you doing? Huh? No?
Big.
Oh, big. Is that how many you have? You have 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
2, 3, 4.
What? 2, 3, 4? Oh man. Santiago. Did you find some cars?
Yeah.
Where are your cars? Where are your cars at?
Huh?
Where are your cars? Where are they? You have some right there. Ooh. Let me see. Show me. Oh, boom. Are you gonna give one to Santi? Yeah. Oh, boom. Boom. Man, you have a lot.
Huh?
You have a lot. Are you gonna give one to Santi?
Huh?
Are you gonna give one to Santi? No, give him one.
Huh?
Give him one. Yeah, he does. Ask him.
Huh?
Tell him, Santi, do you want one? Yeah, ask him. I think you just want to keep them all.
Huh?
I think you just want to keep them all. No, you want to have all the choo-choos. Xavier, remember you had to share? Okay, bye.